The data light on your Spectrum cable box indicates the status of the connection receiving TV signals. When it's solid, everything is working correctly. A blinking light, however, signals a problem. Rapid blinking every 1 to 2 seconds typically means there's no signal or poor connectivity, possibly due to a loose cable or splitter issue. Slow blinking every 5 to 10 seconds usually indicates a software update is in progress or the box is initializing after a reboot. The light alternating with other lights can mean a network error or authorization problem. Determine what the blinking pattern is to help diagnose the problem. First, perform a reboot. Unplug the cable box for 30 seconds, then plug it back in and wait 1 to 5 minutes for it to resync. Next, check all coaxial cable connections to ensure they are secure and undamaged. If possible, use the box's diagnostic menu, usually via Menu, Settings, Info, to check the signal strength. Aim for above 80%. You can also check the Spectrum website or app for any reported outages in your area. If problems persist, consider replacing any old or faulty splitters. If none of these steps work, contact Spectrum support for further assistance, as it could indicate a more complex issue like hardware failure.